Hi, sisters. It's Akanke Adefumi. I'm super excited that you have signed up for the Work and Life Balance workshop that's coming up. I'm going to see you this coming Sunday. And just so you know, it's going to be an amazing 2 hours filled with transformation, some aha moments. And so here are some of the things that you're going to discover during this workshop. You're going to discover a simple yet practical and powerful tool that you can use to get back on track and improve your balance, okay? Also, how to set up more balanced goals and to start to build the momentum that it takes to follow through on the goals, right? Because we can have goals, but if the momentum isn't there, if the fire isn't there, then we'll just peter out over time. All right, so also you're going to discover an effective strategy for increasing clarity and follow through. Ways to uncover your blind spots so that you can easily course correct and also increase your flow. And when I say course correct, that's for those times when we get distracted. We get kind of overwhelmed, or we're headed down a path that we know isn't really where we want to go. So how do you course correct when that happens, okay? Also, I am going to cover 3 common mistakes that professional women make that keep them feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and juggling work and home life. And you're also going to learn about a 15-minute practice for improving your focus and your direction. We're going to have a great time, sister. I'm super excited to support you. So come with your questions. Come with some areas that you know you want to focus on, that you want to see some change or some shifts in. All right, because we're going to head there, sister. I will see you Sunday. Also, if you know of other women who are interested in what you're going to be learning, other women who are also trying to juggle work and a home life, or who are wanting more clarity and direction in their lives, who want more some more momentum, and to be able to follow through, send this a link to this to sign up so that they can come with you, right? Let's have a party together. All right, sister, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.